Hello traders, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, in this video I am reviewing the Aurum Apex EA, and I'll be walking through everything available on its MQL5 marketplace page, including the features, recommendations, and historical testing information. Starting with the marketplace overview, Aurum Apex EA is a fully automated expert advisor designed specifically for the MT4 platform. It is currently priced at 699 US dollars, comes with 10 activations, and the version shown here is 1.62, updated on December 11th, 2024. One thing worth noting right away is that the developer provides a demo version through the comment section, and we can confirm that here. All right. Although that is aside this free demo that can be tested in the strategy tester. Okay. So meanwhile, the free demo provided allows traders to evaluate the EA's live performance on their own broker before making a purchase decision. Now, looking through the description, the EA is presented as an automated tool that performs real-time market analysis and searches for trading opportunities without requiring constant user involvement. The developer states that it is suitable for traders of different experience levels by offering 3 predefined risk modes. All right. The risk parameter is one of the main settings highlighted here. A value of 0.1 is described as a lower risk mode, 0.2 as medium risk setting, and 0.3 as a higher risk configuration, intended for traders who actively manage when the EA is running. The developer specifically advises caution around major USD and BTC related news events when using the higher risk setting. Moving further down, the recommended trading environment is clearly outlined. The EA is intended for the XAUUSD symbol on the M1 time frame with a suggested minimum account balance of $1,000 on an ECN account. Now, the description also mentions that lot sizes are automatically adjusted according to the available account balance. Another important detail is the operating schedule. The default trading window runs from 8 o'clock to 22 o'clock broker time, okay, allowing the EA to operate during a defined portion of the trading day without requiring manual schedule adjustments. The developer also describes the system as utilizing high-frequency trading and scalping techniques. According to the marketplace page, the EA can execute a large number of trades per day and closes positions based on detected changes in price movement rather than relying on predefined take-profit targets. There is also a recommendation not to modify parameters other than the risk setting, which suggests the developer intends the EA to be used primarily through the predefined risk profiles. Now, moving into the backtesting section, I'm reviewing the historical testing results and chart activity, provided for the EA. Now, since this is a completed historical analysis, I'm looking at how the system behaved, through the tested period rather than treating the results as a prediction of future performance. So these ones are, the images available here on the MQL5 page, but we're going to run our own back test, right? So let's head over to the strategy tester. And as you can see, I ran a back test on the Aurum Apex on XAUUSD, and I used the H1 period, all right, for want of time. Okay, and I used the every tick model, and the backtest was done over the past month. All right. So now let's just quickly look at the result. And we can see that from an initial deposit of $50,000, there was a total net profit of $16,461.63. Remember that this backtest was done just over the past month. All right. So this seemed to be like, an amazing result for 1 month. But remember that backtest, historical backtest results do not guarantee future performance. Okay. Just keep that in mind. 1,510 total trades we are taking, 753 we are short positions with 88.18% win rate. The long positions we are 757 with 86.79% win rate. All right, and then we also have the largest profit trade as 1,203.84, largest loss 1,386.9, the average profit 149.61, average loss 958.59. Now, judging by the average profit and average loss, I would say that the risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. But I think one of the main factors that influence this total net profit is the win rate, right? You can see the win rate is pretty high, and even though the risk to reward ratio might be bad, having a high win rate like this can still result in notable profits, okay? But I have to mention again that past performance does not guarantee future results, okay? It's very important for me to say that over and over and over again. Now we're just going to look at the chart activity briefly. I'm going to turn on the visual mode and just click on this again so that we can look at, the EA in action. So we can see here the Aurum Apex. See this dashboard here showing the minimum stop, the current profit percent, balance equity, and also the spread and slippage being shown here. You can also see this two buy and sell buttons. Right now, looking at the chart activity, the trade frequency, we'll be expecting it to appear consistent with the high frequency trading description provided by the developer, right? We can see that the trades have already started, being executed. Of course, this is a high frequency scalper, for an EA to have over 1,000 trades in just a month, So, but I might not know for certain if each month will have that same result, so that is the reason why it's also good to test over a longer period of time, because a short duration is not sufficient, to give a very conclusive statement about an EA, right? So the historical trade sequences seem to show repeated engagement with market movements over the testing period, which aligns with the EA's stated objective of actively identifying trading opportunities throughout its operating window. Now, from an observational standpoint, the exits appear to be influenced by changing market conditions rather than fixed profit targets. We can see that for this number of trades that have already been executed, you can see that there were no fixed profit targets, but the EA still has its exit mechanism, right, which is also consistent with the explanation provided in the marketplace description. Now, as always, it's important to remember that these are historical backtest results. Historical testing performance can vary significantly depending on broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, account size, risk settings, and changing market conditions. I'd also recommend running your own extended testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. Longer evaluation periods can provide a broader understanding of how the EA behaves across different volatility environments and market cycles. So overall, the Aurum Apex EA is presented as an automated MT4 trading system focused on XAUUSD with predefined risk profiles, automatic lot adjustment, specified operating hours, and a high frequency trading approach. As with any automated system, independent testing remains an important part of the evaluation process. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. Happy trading.